Hello everyone, and welcome to week 1. So this week we start our journey on financial accounting. Many students who take this course do not plan to be accountants. If you're in that group, you might be thinking, well, if I'm not going to be an accountant, why do I need to know accounting? Well, consider this quote from Harold Greenan, the former chairman of IT&T. To be good at your business, you have to know the numbers, cold. In business, accounting and financial statements are the means for communicating the numbers. If you don't know how to read financial statements, you can't really know your business. Many businesses agree with this view. They see the value of their employees being able to read the financial statements and understand how their actions affect the company's financial results. For example, Cliff Bar and Company. The original Cliff Bar energy bar was introduced in about 1990, 6 months after the experimentation of Gary Erickson and his mother in their home, in their kitchen. Today, that company has almost 500 employees, and it's considered one of the leading Landor's breakaway brands. Cliff Bars is guided by what it calls 5 aspirations: sustaining their business, their brands, their people, their community, and their planet. If you go out to their website, there are documents, and it documents their efforts and their accomplishments, and those include things like using organic products to protect the soil and water, smart solar array. Actually, they are one of the largest in North America that still has nearly all of their electricity needs supplied by their 115,000 square foot building with solar panels on it. Cliff Bar provides to its employees to reduce their personal environmental impact, such as $6,500 towards the purchase of an efficient car, or $1,000 per year for an eco-friendly improvement to their own homes. Even companies that do not practice open book management, today's employees generally assume that managers in all areas are financial literate. To help you prepare for that, we're going to take this class and help you learn how to read and prepare financial statements, and how to use basic tools like financial analysis to evaluate the financial results. In this first chapter, we're going to introduce you to financial statements of a real company whose products are probably pretty familiar: Tootsie Rolls. Tootsie Rolls' presentation of their financial results is complete, yet it's also relatively easy to understand. So by the end of this week, what you should be able to do is describe the primary forms of business organizations, identify uses and users of accounting information, explain the 3 principal business activities, describe the purpose and the content of each financial statement, explain the meaning of assets, liabilities, and stockholders' equity, state the basic accounting equation, and finally, describe the various components that supplement the financial statements in an annual report. That sounds like a lot, but when you get through it, through the chapter, you'll realize that it all falls together and really sets a great foundation for the rest of what we're going to be doing in this course. So enjoy this first chapter in this first week, and I look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions. Take good care.